Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GitLab for project management so you can track your team's progress and streamline your workflow in 2026. Let's get into it. First, create a new project. The first step is setting up a central hub where all your tasks, code, and documentation will live. From your GitLab dashboard, click the New Project/Repository button and select Create Blank Project. Give your project a name and set the visibility to private or public. In 2026, a GitLab project acts as more than just a code folder, it's a command center. Starting here ensures that your issue tracking, milestones, and wiki are all synced to the same timeline from day one. Next, set up your issue boards. To manage tasks effectively, you need a visual way to see what is being worked on, similar to a Kanban board. Navigate to the left sidebar, hover over Plan, and select Issue Boards. Click Create List to add columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Issue boards turn abstract tasks into movable cards. In the 2026 interface, this allows project managers to see bottlenecks in real time. By labeling issues correctly, they automatically jump into the right column, keeping the team's focus on the highest priority items. Next, create milestones and assign tasks. Milestones help you group issues into specific timeframes, like a sprint or a product launch. Go to Plan, Milestones, and click New Milestone. Set a start and end date. Open an issue, and in the right sidebar, assign it to your team member and select your new milestone. Click Save to link the task to your project timeline. Without milestones, project management is just a never-ending list of tasks. In 2026, assigning a milestone triggers GitLab's burn-down charts, which automatically calculate if your team is on track to finish the work by the deadline. And that's pretty much it. To manage a project in 2026, start by creating a blank project, set up your issue boards to visualize the workflow, and use milestones to assign tasks to specific deadlines. This keeps your team organized and ensures every piece of code is tied to a specific project goal. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.